The best sales pipeline and CRM tool helps businesses manage leads, opportunities, and customers in a streamlined and efficient way while providing the data and insights needed to improve sales performance. Pipedrive is a market-leading CRM and sales pipeline management tool that enables businesses to automate their sales activities, generate and monitor leads, and streamline every action involved in converting a potential lead into a successful sale. Designed to visualize sales processes and enhance actions that drive deals forward, Pipedrive automates tedious tasks and allows sales professionals to return to what they do best. It's entirely customizable, allowing customers to construct pipelines and fields that are specific to their company's needs. Pipedrive helps you with nurturing and tracking leads, custom reporting, and goal setting to keep your sales teams on track with their objectives. It also displays the progress stages for every lead, with complete details for the next viable items. Whether it's making opt-in pages, collecting payments, hosting web forms, or simply generating standalone sites, Pipedrive has proven to be an invaluable tool for businesses and organizations seeking to generate and automate leads that drive sales. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Pipedrive review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Pipedrive. What does Pipedrive really do? Pipedrive is a lead-driven customer relationship management (CRM) software that also works as a sales pipeline tool with the ability to streamline marketing and sales processes by automatically tracking and nurturing leads while also synchronizing email and SMS marketing with other lead management tools to help you drive more sales. With its user-friendly interface, Pipedrive also provides specialized add-ons such as Lead Booster for lead generation, Web Visitors for site traffic evaluation, Smart Docs for document management, Campaigns for email marketing, and Projects for task management. These tools are designed to capture more leads, manage documents effectively, and deliver projects faster, providing more functionality to the CRM plan. Pipedrive CRM boosts sales by providing a visual representation of the sales pipeline, enabling easy tracking of leads and opportunities. The platform's intuitive design allows for rapid setup and easy tracking of sales funnels, with automatic alerts, reminders, and follow-ups, increasing productivity by eliminating repetitive tasks. By leveraging analytics with AI technology, Pipedrive can detect sales opportunities and simplify routine tasks, with features aimed at automating growth. Benefits and key features of Pipedrive. 1. Effective sales pipeline management. Pipedrive helps you manage and track leads by sales pipeline stages. It also alerts you to leads that are going to become cold, allowing you to choose which to tackle first. 2. Sales and marketing automation. With Pipedrive, you can automate any step of your entire sales process and auto-nurture leads while focusing on high-priority tasks. You can also set triggers and desired actions, then let automation do the rest. 3. Insights and reporting. Pipedrive helps you easily track metrics like opt-ins, revenue, referrals, subscriber engagement, and much more to identify which sales strategy delivers the best results. This provides insights into your funnel and page performance so you can optimize conversion rates. 4. Email and SMS marketing. Pipedrive allows you to send live SMS notifications and also receive reports for opened emails or clicked links, so you can follow up with the right contact at the right time. It also offers email features such as two-way email sync, a variety of ready-made email templates, and much more. 5. Streamlined sales processes. Pipedrive's ability to track and log leads helps you organize and streamline your sales processes. Its straightforward visual interface allows easy tracking of leads and deals, enabling you to prioritize tasks and focus on the most promising opportunities. 6. Seamless integration capabilities. You can seamlessly connect Pipedrive to your favorite email marketing services, CRM system, or e-commerce platform. This integration flexibility enhances workflow efficiency and ensures that businesses can leverage their existing tools to their full potential. 7. Comprehensive Sales Toolkit. Pipedrive offers an all-in-one sales software solution to ensure that businesses have access to a wide range of functionalities to support their sales and marketing efforts. How does Pipedrive work? Pipedrive streamlines the sales process by automating tedious tasks and managing leads through the sales cycle. It uses artificial intelligence, AI, to remove repetitive chores from the salesperson's workload. Managers particularly like its open API, which allows Pipedrive to link to other tools used by the team. This customizes the system to meet your specific needs. Pipedrive's pricing and plans. Pipedrive offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The 14-day free trial allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Essential, Advanced, Professional, Power, and Enterprise plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited marketing tools. Pros: create sales workflow automations to handle multiple leads at various sales stages. Customizable sales pipelines and product catalogs. Sets team and individual targets and measures results in real time. Machine learning-powered sales assistant for all plans when you sign up with the link in the description below. Custom fields for leads, deals, contacts, and products, and activity management. Easily sell, ship, and fulfill physical and digital product orders. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the 14-day free trial comes with limited features. Conclusion: Pipedrive's automation capabilities and integrations with other tools have helped businesses streamline sales processes, making it suitable for sales, business development, hiring purposes, and more. Its pipeline feature provides visibility into deals won, open deals, prospects, and pipelines, making it valuable for sales management and organization. Pipedrive revolutionizes the sales process by providing a comprehensive platform that helps you track the sales pipeline, manage leads, and automate tasks all in one place. Its flexible data entry and pipeline creation capabilities have allowed users to organize customer data and stay accountable. Its real-time sales reports, team monitoring, and advanced sales metrics tools deliver insights directly to your fingertips, offering full transparency and empowering you to make data-driven decisions swiftly and with confidence. Users also appreciate its affordability and customization options, making it an ideal choice for all companies building a sales team. Overall, Pipedrive helps reduce email clutter related to sales activities, ensures follow-ups are not missed or forgotten, streamlines the sales process, automates repetitive tasks, and facilitates communication between teams, making it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to boost sales and drive leads into their pipeline. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Pipedrive. If you enjoyed this Pipedrive review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.